Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health and career reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the mid of September 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, Libra, for your health, let's see what we have. We have the Two of Wands. It's like you are waiting for some kind of good results in your health sector to show you the results of your hard work. It's like you have two choices to choose from. Let's say, for example, you have a choice between Ayurveda and allopathy. And let's say, for example, you're going ahead with Ayurveda, but you are kind of feeling like, when is this thing going to give me the results that I'm waiting for? So you're working on your health area, you're working for something to improve, maybe from last 2 weeks or 2 months or something like that, and it's a slow process. It's a little gentle and slow process, and I'm not seeing you being restless, but you're continuously in this energy of, when it is going to give me the results that I am hoping for. At least it should start showing me the results, at least it should start showing me some signs that it is working out. And you are being in the dual mind now. You are right now a little confused, like whether you should go ahead in that direction with that thing only, with that option only, or you should, look backwards and choose the other option, because it's a little bit again slow and delayed kind of process that you're facing right now in your health sector. Whatever decision or whatever direction you choose is kind of testing your patience here, and you're losing your patience with each passing day. Hmm? Uh-huh. For some of you, it's bizarre, but let me tell you, you might be waiting for some kind of medicines, medicine thing or something like that from foreign country, from a foreign land. That when they are going to come, you're going to start the course or you're going to start something, and then you are going to be fine or okay or something like that. Okay. For some of you, you feel like you have to visit to some other country or something, and how to make the best use of this, how to take care of your health there, and you are planning to go ahead with the proper plan, but you're not sure about it. Take which scenario is resonating with you and leave the other part. The guidance is the 10 of cups. You are worrying too much about your health maybe, but if you are going to be happy, if you are going to be on track, if you are going to take all the precautions and your medicines and everything that you are doing, eventually you are going to get the good results. All you have to do is to not to worry too much about it, and spend your time with people who really loves you and people whom you love. Give me a second. So be happy, keep yourself stress free, and you are going to get the results very soon, whatever you are trying to achieve here, right? So don't worry about it. You don't have to worry too much about it. It will eventually start working out in your favor. Slowly but surely. But if this is something that needs your immediate attention, needs immediate medical attention, please don't wait for the right time. Just go ahead and connect with the doctor. Let's see, if you are doing a job or working for others, let's see how it is going to be for you guys, Libra. We have the Wheel of Fortune. So the tables are turning, the rules are changing, the time is changing. Whatever your energies are regarding your job or career, the shift is going to be there. The Wheel of Fortune is a card of change, constant changes. So right now, if you are going through a bad phase in your career area, a good phase will start very soon, and the vice versa, especially around the 10th of September, things are going to shift and change. So if they are bad, they will start going in a positive direction and you are going to see good results. If they are good, a little bit of challenges and obstacles you might have to face in your career area in the coming future. So whatever is happening right now, it's going to shift and change. It's going to be like flipping a page, not drastically but slowly. It's happening slowly. Things are changing slowly but surely for you guys. Hmm? For some of you, the tables are turning in your favor. For some of you, it's going against you. But whatever the case may be, just keep on reminding yourself that this is just a phase, it's not permanent. Hmm? The guidance is the Eight of Wands. Communication is the key here. Clear cut communication with whomsoever you are working with is very, very important. Any kind of miscommunication or lack of communication can create very difficult to deal with issues in the future if not taken care of right now. So if something is bothering you, if something is not matching up with your energies, or you're not able to feel the good vibes or good energies, something is kind of there that you need to work on or that you need to talk about, do that. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. You should definitely talk to somebody about it, the HR, the seniors, or your boss, or whatever is applicable in your case, for the issues that's happening, the lack of communication or miscommunication that's happening. And don't try to pass on the message via somebody else. Try to do it like yourself directly. Okay, that's going to be more beneficial for you. Hmm? Let's see, for those who are self-employed or working for like self-employed or having their own business. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys, Libra. Three of Cups. Wow, success. You are going to enjoy it. You are going to enjoy the success. Maybe you are going to get some kind of partnership, collaboration, some kind of resources, maybe funding to your for your business, whatever the case may be. And for others of you, you guys are going to throw a success party. You guys are going to have a get together, and you guys are going to enjoy the success. It might be a like a little success, but every success matters. Okay, and I do see you celebrating something here, and other people also cheering you up and being in your company, liking your company, and being happy about it. So for most of you, it's a success. Okay, it's not a like major success maybe, but it is a success and you are going to celebrate it. For others of you, you are going to get the funding, the collaboration, the partnership that you were waiting for and hoping for. It's eventually happening and you are going to celebrate it. Celebration is not always about alcohol and going out and dancing on the DJ. Sometimes it's silent. You're going to choose your own, but I do see a reason to celebrate in your business thing, and that's really beautiful. You're going to enjoy it eventually. For you, the guidance is the Two of Wands. Whatever you're waiting for, it was in your health also. Whatever you're waiting for, you have to make it happen somehow. It needs action from your side also. If you, let's say for example, you have applied for funds or loan from a foreign land, or from a global bank or something, just an example, and you're waiting for them to give you an answer and you are not getting it, I think you should connect with them and you should get the clear picture of what's going on, instead of making scenarios in your head and troubling yourself. uh, I think you should talk to them directly. If you are not getting a satisfactory result, if you are not getting a satisfactory answer, I think you should try somewhere else. Yeah, don't wait for something to show up. If this is literally something that you can't do anything about, then of course it's not possible, right? But if this is something that you can do something about, do it. Take the action from your side. Don't just sit there and wait for something to show up. Okay, and keep your other options or alternatives open and look for those also. Don't get stuck only on one option or one thing. Be flexible, diversify. That's cool. Good. Let's see, for those of you who are job seekers or trying to start their own business, how it is going to be for you guys. Libra. Two of Cups. Wow, nice. With the help of an opposite sex person, for most of you, with the help of opposite sex people, you will be able to get the opportunity to get a new job or start your own business. Opposite sex people are going to be very beneficial for you guys to find a new job or or to start your own business thing. Now don't get stuck on the idea of, okay, I should take help from opposite sex people only, or I should talk to them only. Don't get this energy wrong. You can connect with those people, those sources, those connections, those situations where you know your heart is telling you to go ahead with. Your heart is telling you go in this direction, connect with this person, connect with this company, and or to those people, those situations where you feel very good about that particular job or business opportunity, that this is something that's very close to my heart, this is something I really want to do. Go ahead, and there are very good chances that with the help of somebody, with the help of other person here in the mix, you will get it done. You will get the job, new job, or you will be able to start your own business thing. It will require help, but go where your heart is leading you, and you are about to hit the jackpot. Wow, you will get it, Libra, you will get it, and you are going to feel very happy about it. The connection between your work and your you is going to be really meaningful and beautiful. You are going to be like a you're going to feel a balanced kind of energy, like, okay, this is something that I really wanted to do and it's here now, let me enjoy it. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys here. Seven of Swords. Beware of people trying to tell you magical stories and trying to, get something out of you, maybe money out of you, maybe trying to get your documents and, trying to do something really bad with them, really illegal or some kind of stuff. Beware of sharing your things with doubtful people, and do not trust anyone blindly. No trust should, like, no blind trust, no blind faith, and don't give money to people that might not be good for you. Okay, be very very clear. If you're going to get the job, read all the documents, read the agreement and everything properly. And for the business people also, documentation should be very very fair and legal. And maybe you are going to get scammed if you are not going to be aware of who you are sharing your documents, your things and your money with. Beware of those kind of energies. Okay. Okay, let's see for your finances how it is going to be for you guys, Libra. Knight of Cups. Okay, your finances are going to give you good results. A good news is coming in. Financial sector is going to be really beautiful. It's like some kind of good news coming in, some kind of I don't see a sudden surge where you are becoming a billionaire or zillionaire or something, but definitely it's going to be growth in your financial area, especially if you have invested in some kind of long-term plans, and or you will be able to save more than the previous months or previous years, and you are going to feel very content and good about it. You are going to feel happy about it, like finally, eventually, it's happening. So it's like slow growth happening in your investments and a reason to celebrate in your finances. It's something that you really really are grateful for. Hmm? Nice. For you, the guidance here is the King of Pentacles. Keep your eye on the goal, keep your eye on the prize, Libra. Whatever you're doing is working out in a very beautiful and positive way. It might be slow, it might not be something that's making you rich overnight, but it's working out. Okay, so you should according to the card, you should just have a proper plan and stick to the plan. Hmm? Let's say for example that you are going to invest 20% of your salary, 20% of your earning every month in something. That 20% might not make you feel like, oh, some big amount or some kind of big thing is happening, but eventually it's going to make you feel very very content and grounded and stable in the coming future. So no percentage of saving is actually bad. Okay, so whatever you can, stick to the plan and keep on maybe enhancing the plan each year to have a stable base for your future. You are doing good, you are doing good, or you will eventually, if not right now. Don't worry about it. You need the proper plan and strategy, and sticking to the plan is very very important. You're good to go. Slow is best. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.